Hello and welcome. Greg here from Stoke Audi, sharing with you today this lovely looking Audi A1 Sportback, available here in the popular Sport variant and powered by 25 TFSI engine with 95 PS of power. The exterior is finished in a lovely looking shell white solid paint colour, and equipment highlights will include the benefit of automatic LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as the stylishly designed multi-spoke alloy wheels and chrome on the side. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature-shaped LED taillights giving your A1 a distinctive look at night. Boot space is absolutely cavernous and can easily swallow weekly shopping, with the added convenience of 60/40 folding split seats. In the rear, you'll find a comfy cabin for three with this two-tone cloth upholstery design, as well as two ISOFIX child anchor points. In the front, piano gloss black decorative door and dash inserts will give this A1 a premium look, whilst upgraded front sport seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort. The driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as cruise control, and the wheel will operate the virtual cockpit up ahead. There's various information for your music, trip and Bluetooth. In the center, the MMI composition media system also comes packed full of clever features such as FM and DAB digital radio reception, as well as various media source inputs such as those displayed on the screen. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth is incredibly easy and will allow you to stay in touch with family and friends, as well as various vehicle settings are on offer as well, with a number of active assist functions. Pairing your phone will also allow you access to both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, with various other vehicle settings on offer too. Adjustable speaker sound system is available, as well as an easy to use air conditioning to keep you warm, with storage for your device and additional USB Type-C.